If you ask me if I'd travel all the roads, walk all the miles, hop on all the flights, all the sleepless nights, all the surgeries, all of the injuries, the metal rods in my teeth, all of it. If you ask me if I'd do it again, in a heartbeat.
Tonight I feel like the world won't miss me. So much to say, but there's no one listening. If we're alone, are we all together in that?
So thank you. Thank you very much.
I threw a penny in a well for wishing and prayed for all the things I think I'm missing. A little time is all I really need. I am doing the best I can with everything I am. Don't you know nobody's perfect? Do you understand how hard I'm trying to do the best I can? The best I can. A second chance to give you something. It takes a lifetime to come from nothing.